Hi, we're Big Y's registered dietitians, Andrea
and Carrie. Whether as a breakfast on the go or an afternoon snack,
smoothies are a great way to incorporate nutritious ingredients into your day,
like protein-packed skyr and fresh fruit for sustained energy.
Chocolate Espresso Smoothie. In a blender, combine milk, vanilla skyr, sliced banana, cocoa powder, and instant espresso coffee. Blend ingredients until smooth, then pour into a glass to enjoy.
Golden Milk Smoothie with mango. In a blender, place sliced banana, cubed frozen mango, plain skyr, milk, turmeric, grated ginger, lemon juice, and honey. Blend ingredients until smooth and divide between 2 glasses to share.
For these recipes and more,
visit bigY.com.